Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of the Rudu Salam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, mathematics exercise 12A for new syllabus mathematics D3 A level O level students, and question number 4 is find the unknown value in each of the following pairs of similar figures, and A part is students, there are two similar figures whose areas are given and the side of one similar figure is given, and we have to find the side of other figure. So students, A1 area of first triangle is given, that is 24 centimeter square, and L1 is a centimeter, means that we have to find A, whereas area of second figure is 6 centimeter square, and L2 length of second figure is 3 centimeter. And students, we have to find the length of first figure, that is A. So students, we will apply the same formula, और formula ये है कि the ratio of the areas of two similar figure is equal to the square of the ratios of their corresponding sides. So you have to learn this formula, that is A1 over A2 is equal to L1 over L2 whole square. And area of first figure is given, that is 24, and length we have to find, that is A. Area of second figure is given, that is 6 centimeter square, and length 2 is also given, that is 3 centimeter. So I will not put the units with the values because we know the length will be in centimeter and we have to find the value of A. So A1 is given 24, A2 is given, that is 6, is equal to length 1 is A, whereas length 2 is 3 whole square. Now students, 24 and 6 are cancelled with the table of 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24, and 4 over 1 we need not write over 1 because it is understood, and the square of A is A square, whereas the square of 3 is 9. And 9 is dividing on right side. When we transfer it to the side, it will multiply, and we will have 4 multiplied by 9 is equal to A square, and A square is equal to 9 4s are 36, and when we take square root to find the value of A, we will have to take the square root on both sides. So A is equal to plus minus 6, and keep in mind that area is a scalar quantity, so we will not use minus. Not area, it is length. Length is a scalar quantity, so we will not use minus with it, and the value of A is 6. Students, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में हमने अननोन की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, और इस क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के ए पार्ट में टू सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स गिवन है, ये आप बुक से देख सकते हैं. जो फर्स्ट ट्राइंगल है उसका एरिया है 24 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर और इसकी लेंथ है A सेंटीमीटर. ए हमने फाइंड करना है. जो सेकंड फिगर है जिसको हमने A2 का नाम दिया है, इसके एरिया को वो है 6 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, और फिर L2 जो है वो 3 सेंटीमीटर होगी. हमने फार्मूला अप्लाई किया कि टू सिमिलर फिगर के एरियाज की जो रेशियो है वो उसकी कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स के रेशियो के स्क्वायर के इक्वल होती है, तो इसलिए हमने इधर स्क्वायर लगाया, एरियाज की वैल्यू पुट की, लेंथ कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग लेंथ की वैल्यू पुट की और इनका स्क्वायर लिया, और 9 इधर डिवाइड कर रहा है. इधर अगर मल्टीप्लाई करेगा तो 4 को जब हम 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 36 आएगा, और ये A स्क्वायर है. वैल्यू हमें A की चाहिए, इसलिए हम स्क्वायर रूट लेंगे, और इस बात को ध्यान में रखें कि जब भी हम किसी नंबर का स्क्वायर रूट लेते हैं तो उसके साथ प्लस माइनस लगाते हैं, क्योंकि आपको नहीं पता या मुझे भी नहीं पता कि ये जो 36 है ये -6 का स्क्वायर है या +6 का स्क्वायर है. लेकिन चूंकि लेंथ एक स्केलर क्वांटिटी होती है, इसलिए हम इसके साथ माइनस नहीं लगाएंगे, तो A की वैल्यू जो है वो हमारे पास 6 होगी, और सेंटीमीटर ऑलरेडी गिवन है. Now I am going to solve the B part of the same question, and in B part there are again two similar triangles. Yes, B part, and the similar triangles, A1 area of first triangle is 10 centimeter square, whereas length of this triangle is 5 centimeter. And students, area 2 or area of second figure is 90 meter square, and length of second figure L2 is B centimeter, and now we have to find the value of B. Again students, we will use the same formula that the ratio of the areas of two similar figure is equal to the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides of the similar figure. So students, the formula is A1 over A2 is equal to length 1 over length 2 whole square, and area of first triangle, that is 10 centimeter square, and area of second figure is 90 centimeter square, and L1 is 5 and L2 is B, and we have to write their square, we have to take their squares. And students, 10 1 are 10, 10 9s are 90, so it is 1 over 9. 1 over 9 is equal to 25 over B square. Now students, we will do BCM, and this B square will multiply with 1, and we will have B square multiplied by 25 multiplied by 9. And students, when we multiply 25 with 9, we will have 225. So B square is equal to 225, and we have to find the value of B. So we will take square root on both sides, and B will be plus minus 15, because the square root of 225 is 15. As students, B is length, and length is a scalar quantity, so we will not use minus sign with it, and the value of B will be 15. स्टूडेंट्स, बी पार्ट में अगेन हमारे पास टू सिमिलर ट्राइंगल थी, और उन दोनों ट्राइंगल का एरिया गिवन था, और एक ट्राइंगल की साइड 5 सेंटीमीटर थी और दूसरी की 20 सेंटीमीटर. तो हम सेम फार्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे, A1 ओवर A2 इज इक्वल टू L1 प्लस L1 ओवर L2 होल स्क्वायर. यहाँ पर एक चीज़ बच्चों माइंड में आपने रखनी है कि जिस फिगर को आप A1 कहेंगे उसी फिगर की लेंथ को आपने L1 कहना है, यानी कि ये रिप्लेस नहीं होनी चाहिए. तो जब हमने ये वैल्यूज पुट की तो ये A1 था 10, A2 90, तो 10 ओवर 90 मीन 1 ओवर 9, क्योंकि लास्ट जीरो से कैंसिल होगा. लेंथ 1 5 है और लेंथ 2 जो है वो B है. जब हम 5 का स्क्वायर लेंगे तो 25 आएगा, जब B का स्क्वायर लेंगे तो B स्क्वायर आएगा. अब दोनों साइड पर चूँकि ये फ्रैक्शन है, तो जब दोनों साइड पर सिंगल डिनोमिनेटर्स हों तो बच्चों हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर सकते हैं. B स्क्वायर 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेगा तो B स्क्वायर आएगा, और 9 जब 25 से मल्टीप्लाई करेगा तो बच्चों वो 225 आएगा. ये B स्क्वायर है, हमें वैल्यू B की चाहिए, इसलिए हम इसका स्क्वायर रूट ले लेंगे. तो ये था B पार्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व C पार्ट ऑफ द सेम क्वेश्चन, and in C part there are two similar figures, and the figures are, students, two rhombuses. Rhombuses are the figures that have four equal sides but no angle is right angle. So students, in C part A1 is given, A1 is 15 meters square, whereas length 1 is 5 meter, whereas students area of second figure is 240 meters square, whereas length 2 is C meter. Keep in mind that it is not centimeter, it is C meter. I mean to say we have to find the value of C. Now students, again we will apply the same formula that the ratio of the areas of similar figure is equal to the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides of the similar figures. So students, formula is A1 over A2 is equal to L1 over L2 whole square. Area of first figure is 15 meters square, whereas area of second figure is 240 is equal to length 1 is 5 and length 2 is C whole square. Now students, 15 and 240 can be cancelled with the table of 15. 15 1s are 15 and 15 1s are 15. When we subtract 15 from 24, we will have 9 and it will become 19, and 15 6s are 90. So students, it will be 1 over 16 is equal to square of 5 is 25, whereas square of C is C square. Now we will do BCM. BCM mean by cross multiplication. So C square is equal to 16 multiplied by 25. Students, if you want to convert 16 and 25 in the form of square, we can write c square is equal to 4 square multiplied by 5 square. Now we will take square root on both sides, and c will be plus minus 4 multiplied by 5, and we need not to write plus minus with it because c is length, and length is a scalar quantity, and scalar quantity don't have any sign, it is always positive. स्टूडेंट सी पार्ट में हमारे पास 2 रोम्बसेस हैं जिनका दोनों का एरिया हमें गिवन है, एक का एरिया 15 है, एक का 240 है, और जो स्मॉलर रोम्बस है उसकी लेंथ 5 है, और जो लार्जर रोम्बस है उसकी लेंथ 3 मीटर है। तो हम इसमें सेम फार्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे जो हम ऑलरेडी करते आ रहे हैं और बाद में ये प्रोसेस करेंगे। तो ये हमारा बच्चों क्वेश्चन जो है सी की वैल्यू आ जाएगी और वो है 20। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व the last part of the question number 4, and in last part again students I don't have the figures, so in students last part area D part, A1 is given, that is 27, and area length of first figure is 6, whereas area of figure 2 that is 12, and length 2 we have to find. Now students, again we will apply the same formula, that is A1 over A2 is equal to A1 over A2 is equal to L1 over L2 whole square, and A1 is given, that is 27, whereas A2 is 12, is equal to length 1 is 6 and length 2 is D. Here I have to write D. Now students, 27 and 12 can be cancelled with the table of 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27, and we will have 9 over 4 is equal to 36 over D square. Now students, again we will do cross multiplication, and D square multiplied by 9 is equal to 36 multiplied by 4, and 9 is multiplied by 4. 9 is multiplying, when we transfer it to other side it will divide, and 36 multiplied by 9 4 over 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36, and D square is equal to 4 multiplied by 4, and D square is equal to 4 square, and we will take square root, and the value of D is 4. And it is the last part of question number 4, and it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.